Okay, I don't think I have this set up perfectly, but I came up with this craft. I drink a lot of these coffees. They're like the Starbucks. And I hate throwing these bottles away because I think they're so cute. So I was thinking I want to turn them into little night lights. This is an old um, cord from phone that broke. So I'm going to use that. And then I have a bunch of grommets and some little washers and stuff. And I'm going to turn this into a steampunk nightlight. Okay, so here's what I did with the cord. I cut the end of the cord off, and then I found a spring and a chain, and I attached the cord through the spring with the chain. This is going to go around the bottle. This is going to be the hanger. So I'm going to glue those pieces on now. Okay, this is what it looks like with the phone charger cord wrapped around it. And then I took this chain and I glued it on. So when I pull the chain up, it'll be able to hang up. Now it's time to decorate it. Okay, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to use some little decorations I got because I do like steampunk. And I'm going to start gluing them on. Find the center. Next, I'm going to take different size little grommets. I think they're gears. Sorry. And I got little ones. Right there. Okay, now that I've got all my little gears and some screws and washers, some little embellishments on, I'm going to put a couple little rhinestones in places just to get a little bit of sparkle. First I'm going to start with the owl eyes. And I'm going to put these little gold rhinestone things that you get from the dollar store. And there we go, it makes those little eyes glow. So now I'm going to add more. Okay, so here's a little jewelry things I added. And I apologize for my hand being in the way most of the time, but this is my first actual craft video that I did. I just had an idea to do something with these bottles, and I thought that would be really cute to make little candles out of them. So now we're going to finish the top, and you'll see what it looks like with the candle glowing in it. Okay guys, this is probably the worst craft video that you ever seen as far as filming. Hopefully not as far as the actual craft that I did. But I thought this would make really cute little nightlight bottles. You can't really see it because it's not dark, but you can see the little light flickering on the top, and if you look close enough you can see it flickering right there on the bottom. So tonight hopefully I'll be able to load what it looks like at night. I'm going to make another one that's a beach scene. Anyway, please be kind. I know this video wasn't the greatest of showing you guys how I did it, but I pretty much just hot glued everything on there. I'm going to clean up all of this little mess up in here. That's what it looks like. I'm going to have to figure out a new camera situation. That's my attempt at a steampunk nightlight. And then of course I have the cord where you can hang it.